Hey everyone! If your Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds are acting up, dropping connections, uneven sound, or refusing to pair, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to reset your Hammerhead earbuds and get them working like new again. Let's dive in. First, let's try a soft reset, which is a super quick way to fix minor glitches without losing any of your saved settings. Simply place both earbuds back in the charging case and close the lid. Wait about 15 to 30 seconds, or up to a minute, to let the earbuds power down and refresh. Then, open the case, take them out, and test your pairing and audio. Most of the time, this soft reset fixes minor issues like audio dropouts or pairing delays, so it's always the first step before doing anything more drastic. Full factory reset when soft reset fails. If problems persist, it's time for a full factory reset. Here's how. Keep your earbuds out of the case and powered on. Disconnect them from your device. On your phone or laptop, go to Bluetooth settings, find Hammerhead 2, and choose Forget or Remove Device. Now for the reset gesture. Tap the touch-sensitive area 3 to 4 times quickly, then immediately press and hold the same area. Watch for an LED flash or a voice prompt saying Factory Reset. Once that's done, simply repair your earbuds with your device, and you should notice your sound quality is back to normal. And that's it. Whether it's a soft reset for quick fixes or a full factory reset for stubborn issues, your Hammerhead earbuds can be back in top shape in just a few steps. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions.